Hello and welcome to Nature Source Care. My name is Dr. Funda Goldman. I'm a naturopathic physician and a yoga teacher. In today's talk, I was going to go through a Marma therapy sequence that I use all the time with my patients. It's simple, it's fairly quick, but it really, what I see with patients is that it really brings them into greater balance. And brings about rejuvenation and helps with stress. So it's a nice sequence to do daily, actually. And it's a follow-along video. I'm going to discuss it a little bit, and then I'll do a follow-along, so you can actually experience it yourself. A note of caution beforehand: the information presented here is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. For any symptoms that are severe or worsening, please contact a qualified healthcare professional. It's always important to determine the root cause of any disease and to develop a comprehensive treatment plan. Individual cases can vary in terms of treatments that are most effective. Solo therapies may not be appropriate or effective in all cases, so please keep that in mind. So Marma therapy, just a few words. It comes from Ayurvedic or traditional Indian medicine. It's more than 5,000 years old. I really like to use it because it's non-invasive. It's an energy therapy. There are 117 Marma points on the body. And in this paradigm of medicine, you have to really kind of wrap your mind around the idea that people and states of disease and health are actually energies or waves. So what happens with these Marma points is that you just gently touch them. You don't have to press, hard or extensively. And what it does is it allows the energies in these areas of the body to rebalance. So it's fairly simple and straightforward. And I also like to teach patients simple sequences that they can do at home to support themselves and their health. The first video I did on this topic of Marma therapy is the Marma Points on the Hand video. I also have a Marma Points on the Hand follow-along video, so if you like this kind of content, you might check that out. The other thing is, because I'm doing a sequence today, I'm actually drawing sequence or Marma points from different areas of the body. So the other Marma, I've done videos on all the Marma points at this point, at this time. So if you want to know more about the points that I cover in today's sequence, I would look at the Marma videos on crown of the head, forehead, eyes, ears, chest, and middle abdomen. And if you like this kind of content generally, you might look at my Marma therapy, Ayurveda, and body care playlist, because I always organize my videos into playlists so that they're easy to find. Alright, so let's just talk about the sequence very simply, and then I'll actually lead you through it. So the first point is adipati. It's at the crown of the head, and the way that you find this is that you put your fingers on the top of your ears, a little point at the top of your ear, and you just slide it up to the center of the top of the head. Then we're going to go through ajna, which is the third eye point. It's about one finger above the center of the eyebrows, and we're actually going to cover the eyes as well. And I've listed the videos here that correspond with them, so if you want to learn more about what all these, everything that these points do, then you can look at that. So adipati is Marma crown of the head, ajna is Marma forehead, and eyes is Marma eyes. Then we're going to go over the ears. The video there is Marma ears. So what you're going to do to get the ears is you're going to slide your fingers behind your ears, the flap of the ears, and then you're just going to fold the palm of your hand to cover the ear. So it's like a little clamshell you're making with your hand. Then Hrid, which comes from the video Marma chest. This is the center of the chest. It's the breastbone sternum. And there are two ways to do it. You can either put one hand flat over the other, or you can put one hand flat over a fist right on the center of the sternum. And then the last point is nabhi, which I've covered in the Marma middle abdomen video, and that's right over the belly button. Alright, so those are the points, but if you're ready, you can go ahead and find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. You just want to make sure that the spine is straight. Okay, and then go ahead and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in And exhale. Take another breath in. And exhale. And one more breath in. And exhale. Okay, so just gently call your energy back to the center of your body. So maybe you've already been doing a lot today, or thinking a lot today, or feeling a lot today, and maybe your energy is spun out into the world. You just want to call it back to yourself. Bring back that vital energy to the core of your being for healing and balance, rejuvenation. Okay, so the first point, what we're going to do, you just touch the tops of your ears, the point at the top of the ear, and then you're going to keep sliding the fingers up to the top of the head and the center. This is your first point, adipati. Just gently press here. You don't need to press much. Okay, we're just going to hang out here. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath. And exhale. Okay, now go ahead and take your hands and we're going to rub them together. Just to warm them up a little bit. Okay. So go ahead, rub your hands together. And then we're going to gently place the palms of your hands over your eyes. And then your little finger, maybe even your ring finger, they kind of cross above your eyebrows, about a finger above your eyebrows for the ajna point. Okay, this is your third eye point. So we're covering quite a few points just with the hands over the palms of the hands over the eyes. All right, so gently cover the eyes, take a deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath. And exhale. Go ahead, keep going through your breath cycle. And you might notice that, just by covering the eyes in this way, it's very relaxing because, again, when we're looking out into the world, there's so much that we're actually taking in and processing. And so it gives the eyes, it gives the brain a chance to just relax. Okay, and then it allows all that energy that we spend looking at things, looking at the world, you can redirect that energy to these healing points for balance and rejuvenation. Okay, take one more breath here. And exhale. Now bring your hands again together again, and we're just going to rub them a little bit, warm them up. Okay, now the hand is flat. What you're going to do is take the fingers and bring them up behind the ears, the flap of the ear, and then you're gonna bring the palm of the hand over the ears, so it's like this little clamshell over the flap of the ears and the ear itself, the eardrum. Yeah. All right, so take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. And if you'd like to, if it feels comfortable to you, you can actually just slightly pull up and back on the ears. Not much, gently, gently. Keep breathing. Deep breath in and exhale. Okay, and so much like the eyes, when we cover the whole ear like this, all the energy we spend in processing all the sounds around us can focus and redirect to these energy points for healing and rebalancing. Deep breath in and exhale. One more breath and exhale. Okay, so slowly bring your hands back together, flat, and then we're going to rub them together again, create a little bit more heat, warm them up. And now we're going to go to the center of the chest, the center of the breastbone, sternum. You can either, depending on what's more comfortable for you, lie one hand flat over the other, right on that center of the chest, or you can make a fist, put that on the center of the chest, the breastbone, and then cover that fist with a flat hand, whatever's more comfortable for you. Go ahead and close your eyes, take a deep breath in, and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. Keep moving through your breath cycle. And as you do, you might actually start to feel your heart kind of slow down a little bit. And feel a little bit more peace, a little bit more ease. In Ayurveda, the heart is considered actually the kind of the beginning of our thoughts, the beginning of our consciousness. So this is a really vital and deep place for all the thoughts that are generated and how the thoughts direct our actions in life. So take a deep breath in, exhale. Deep breath in and exhale. So again, as the energies slow down a bit, rebalance a bit, rejuvenate a bit, you can find your center, your focus again. And you might have felt this on the first point, adipati. Adipati, though, you probably felt just the mind slowing down a little bit. But with the Hrid point here, really the emotional heart, the physical heart, the spiritual heart are all under this point. Let them rejuvenate, let them rebalance. Deep breath in and exhale. One more breath. And exhale. Okay, slowly bring the palms of your hands together. We're going to rub them again, generate a little bit of warmth, a little bit of heat in the hands. And then we're going to take the hands and cover the belly button, one hand over the other. Deep breath in. Draw the prana, draw that life energy, vital force into the belly. Deep breath in. And again, this is the center for the whole belly, really, the whole gut. All right, coordinating intuition, movement, the solar plexus, so courage, self-esteem, self-worth, with the second chakra, Svadhisthana chakra, for creativity, connection. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. And so you might have felt as we go through these points that we're sort of slowing down the sensory perceptions so that the energy can internalize. And then as we're moving from the top of the head into the belly, that the energy has a chance to ground itself. And the energies have a chance to move into the center of the body, the center of the spine, the chakra system. Deep breath in. And exhale. Deep breath in. And exhale. One more breath in. And exhale. Okay, you can slowly start to open your eyes. Bring your awareness back to the room and back to the space. And you can hang out in this energy, this newly balanced, rebalanced energy, and bring it forward with you into your day or into your night. So this sequence can be done whenever you feel drawn to it. But it can help, keep you in this balanced state as you move through your day, or it can help rebalance your energy so it's easier to fall asleep. All right, take another breath in and exhale. So there you have it, a short but sweet little sequence for Marma therapy. It is short, but again, I do find this to be a very powerful and profound practice. I do teach it to quite a few of my patients, adults, children, adolescents, and as I'm teaching them and leading through the sequence, very similar to what I've just done with you, I can visibly see their energy shift. Their shoulders start to relax, their breathing deepens, their voice softens. You can see in their eyes there's more focus and calm. So it's pretty profound. So thank you for your time, and as always, I appreciate your interest in healing and balancing yourself, because that energy and that balance just reverberates into the rest of the world, and so we all benefit, actually. So until the next one, take care. Namaste.